Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to film a house update and take you guys along our journey of what we did the first 3 months of moving into our new home. We put a lot of hard work and effort doing a lot of things ourselves to make it very homey and comfortable for us. Although nothing is 100% done in the way that we want it, I wanted to kind of give you guys a house update first because I have a couple other videos of us actually doing like real work to our house and changing it the way that we want it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications so you guys get alerted whenever I upload those videos. So the first thing that we wanted to do was get rid of the ugly beige color that was throughout the entire house. So we decided to paint our house white, which was very risky, especially if you have a toddler, but so far so good. It's really easy to clean and wipe off whenever she makes a mess. And like right now, she hasn't colored with her crayons all over the wall, so wish us luck and knock on wood because I really don't want that to happen. And it took us about 2 full days for my fiance and I to paint the main level of our house. And we plan on hiring somebody to paint the rest of the house because we only got to the main level. We only painted that white. Our upper level where the rest of our bedrooms are and our hallway, it's still that ugly beige color, but we just don't have the time to paint and we don't have the patience. It was really draining and we were kind of stepping on each other's toes because we were just kind of over it at one point. So yeah, we're definitely going to hire somebody to paint the rest of our house. So this is what you see when you walk into our home, and you can already tell that the paint color made a huge difference. It looks more airy and more spacious and cleaner, and that's exactly what we wanted. And we got this little shelf because we lose our keys and everything all the time. So we just leave our wallet and our keys and our dog's leash right there. And then to our left, you'll see our kitchen, which we painted our kitchen white. And that's pretty much all we're planning on doing for now. And sorry about the mess. I wasn't going to clean the kitchen for the video. And if you keep moving forward, we move into our dining room area. And till this day, I am in love with the bay windows. I open them up every morning. And now that it's nice outside, I have them open all the time. And our plans for this ugly pizza warmer looking thing of a light is we want to change it to something more modern and more our style. And we got this marble table, which was such a pain in the butt to move upstairs. It was just a lot of work, but it was totally worth it because when people come over, they compliment us on the table. It's the main thing that they see when they come in, like our house. And we actually got it for $200, the marble table and the chairs, because it was a little scuffed up. We've got our dining room table and our couches from Bob's Furniture, if you guys were wondering. And it's definitely worth checking the back of the house, the warehouse, where they have returns and kind of like damaged items, because this table looks brand new, which it kind of was brand new. It just has little scuffs in the corner, and it's totally worth it in my opinion. Now we have this shelf here that we want to move somewhere. It's just kind of like a catch-all place right now. We just leave all our like crap everywhere, and I want to kind of put a plant here instead. I feel like it'll look really nice and bring it all together. So if you pan over to the left, you'll see our French style doors that lead to our basement. And then next to it, it's kind of like a little entryway nook. And the last owners had a really cute decorated bar cart, but I wanted something to match our dining table, kind of go in sync with everything. And I found this little entryway table that has a marble top and the same shade of legs as our dining table. I got it from Amazon. I'll link it down below. And I believe it was really affordable. It was 60 bucks and really easy to put together. I got that fake plant from Home Goods and that basket from Target. I'll link everything down below. And like I mentioned before, we didn't paint the rest of the house. So the stairways leading up to the upper level, it's still that ugly beige color. We do want to change the railings too to kind of make it more modern, because that chunky wood is not, I don't know, it's really ugly. And then we do want to get a big chandelier to put right there because as you can see, we have really high ceilings. I just haven't committed, and I want something that matches the dining room table because I'm really OCD like that. And next to our living room is our dining room. And like I mentioned before, we got those couches from Bob's Furniture, and they're really comfortable. Everybody loves them. They're really like puffy and cushiony. And for the price that we paid, I was really surprised at the quality. I'll link it down below because it is linked online if you're interested. And yes, it did come with those throw pillows, which they're not really my style. I kind of want to get new pillow covers to cover them. And I'm currently shopping around to find the perfect statement piece to put on this huge wall. We're really minimal when it comes to wall art and photos, so I kind of just want one huge statement piece there. And like I've mentioned before, I'm still struggling with this mess right here that I have in my living room just because we store our daughter's toys right here. I went to IKEA and I did buy some things. So if you haven't seen my shop with me, I'll link that down below. But it's getting better. I feel like I'm slowly starting to collect decor pieces to kind of bring it all together, but it's just taking me some time and I'm struggling a little bit. I recently bought this shelf from Amazon. I believe it was $30, and I use it to display my little crystals just because I have so many of them. I do want to pick up another one just so the shelf, the whole entire living room shelf, looks a little bit more even, but I really love it, and you can hang it on the wall, and of course I'll link it down below. And I forgot to show you guys our half bath that is also in the main level, but I didn't really want to show you guys too much because we actually changed a lot of things about this bathroom and no longer looks like this. So I did film everything. I filmed the whole process and it was really fun to do. So look out for that video in the future. I think that's the next house update video that we're going to do in our series. I hope you guys enjoyed this house update video. I definitely have some home related videos coming up very, very soon. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel down below. I'll also link the rest of the playlist that I've created in the past down below in my description box. And if you like these type of videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It just helps me figure out what you guys like to see more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.